So you want to learn more about iReady Pro. Excellent choice. And the good news is you don't need to wander the internet like an educational Indiana Jones searching for hidden gems. Once you've watched our videos here, just head over to Success Central. Success Central is your one-stop shop for all implementation content across products. Think of it as your command center for everything helpful. And here's the best part. You can access Success Central right inside iReady Connect. When you log in, it already recognizes you, who you are, your role, your state, the products you use, and it shows you content that's actually relevant to you. No endless scrolling, no guesswork, just what you need. Once you're logged in, go to the iReady Pro page for recommended resources, guidance, and key information. Looking for something specific, use the search bar in Success Central and apply the filters on the left-hand side to narrow down by grade level and quickly find exactly what you're looking for. And if you just have a quick question, check the FAQs under Supporting 6+ Students in iReady Pro. Select Personalized Instruction to see short answers to the most common questions. So the next time you find yourself asking, where can I learn more about iReady Pro? The answer is simple, Success Central. Because sometimes the best way to find success is to go to the place literally called Success Central.